So, question number three, does it match how your brain works? It's a very simple and a type of question that deserves a honest, answer if you want to choose a career in tech, right? Because your brain type matters as much as, market demands, basically, right? So, if you know you hate logics, you hate numbers, please stay away from software development. It will frustrate you, honestly. Stay away from AI engineering, backend development, data engineering, stay away from those fields. If you know you cannot sit still and think, right? If you know you can't do those things, please find something else, right? Maybe something around UI, UX, front end development. Those, tech fields are much softer when it comes to logic, right? Front end, you might face a bit of, logic, but it's not as intense or more, when you go to the fields, that are related in the software development area. Yeah, so these are three questions I think you need to ask yourself if you want to pick or start a career in tech, right? They deserve honest, responses. And if most of your responses are no, I would just advise that you keep going through the list of available tech roles that we have, and try to see which one suits you. Maybe in one of the video I'm going to make, I would talk about the list of available tech roles that we have in tech where you can actually choose from. But if you know you can't wait till then, till I release the video, I would advise you use one of the LLM applications, something like ChatGPT, Cloud, AI to tell you to give you like a list of available tech roles you can do in 2026. So I chose data engineering because when I asked myself these questions back then, I think I asked myself these questions and some other questions, but these were like the primary questions that I asked myself that period when I wanted to dive into the field. And most of my response, in fact, all my responses were yes. Companies were hiring that period. It matches my brain type. I saw myself staying in the field for a longer period of time, right? So it matches my brain type because I was previously a backend engineer before. I was working as a backend engineer for about 2 years, almost 3 years. Yeah, so in the next video, I will break down every single tech careers that we have available as a Nigerian. So you can, ask yourself these three questions and, pick whichever one that, suits you basically. Please follow and, like and share this content if you enjoy it. Thank you so much.